the Smart Best Dance Crew organizer and a member of the exhibit dancers. Also seen on choreographer Net 25, judge number 1, Wowie. Parampahan niyo po. Yun, ha? Ay, ito. Ganda ng mga jacket niyo. Meron naman dyan. Okay. Right here. He is the former member of the Abstract Dancers. Oh, galing dyan sa Pittsburgh. That was dito. Okay, very good. He is the former member of the SOP Boys and former member of Boys of the Dance Floor of Mark Heras. Lastly, right now, he is the member of the Maneuvers. Judge number 2, please put your hands together for Mac. Sample daw. Ay, mamaya masample natin sila isa-isa. Bakit pa sila naging judge kung hindi sila mag-sample, no? Sabi nila doon. Okay, yare. Here we go. On my side. Hello. Yo. He is the dance choreographer of Itbulaga 2010 New Year presentation. Grabe. Magbibigyan naman ng judges dito. Okay, showbiz, ha? And he's also part of the party people of Shelby Dance and PO5. A faculty member of Kids Act Philippines, instructor with its client Unilab, Nestle, and Willow Tree for its workshop. The Groove 2010 in-house choreographer, judge number 3. Put your hands together for Jan. Yes. Ladies. Okay pa yung mga judges, ladies? Okay ba? I think right now is the right time for me to call you guys to later.